Here's my Jordan. She's going to show you how to cut back all the dead growth on a perennial to expose all the new growth.
So you take right here and you take your clippers, you cut off right there, and see what happened? We get, what happened?
Oh, you're taking off all the dead flowers.
We're taking off all the dead flowers.
Okay, you want to finish it up?
Yep. And right at the end.
Good job.
Right here. And see how easy that gets off. And then here's another one. Last one.
That's your future of Scenic Roots Garden Center right there. And doesn't that look like a nice new plant, honey?
Yes, it does.
All right, sign off.
Bye. See you next time at Scenic Roots.
Perfect.